Hello everyone, today I want to explain the redox reaction chapter, this lecture 1. A reactant convert into product through various reaction. In that one of them is redox reactions. What is a redox reactions? Redox reaction meaning reduction plus oxidation in that they took only one is reduction red and ox in the oxidation that become redox reactions. Next, what are the some examples? Hydrogen economy, this is given in the textbook, that is called environmental issue. This is and ozone hole formation, electrochemistry, in that also oxidation reduction at anode and cathode, metallurgy reaction. Not only these, many are redox reactions are there in our chemistry. Second, what is the oxidation in the redox reaction? So first we have to know what is oxidation and reduction. So first I am focusing on the oxidation. In the first one, definition is addition of oxygen. So here one, two, three examples are there. Keep in mind, first one, magnesium plus oxygen gives a magnesium oxide. Sulfur plus oxygen gives a sulfur dioxide. Methane plus oxygen mean combustion of methane. So generally hydrocarbon undergo that combustion reaction in presence of oxygen always leads to carbon dioxide gas, H2O liquid. You have to remember this is useful for problem solving in the thermodynamics, thermochemistry, and also in the organic chemistry. This is very important. And keep in mind, these are one is S block element, this is a P block element, this one organic compound, and some examples we have to remember for writing board level exams. Important this is. So addition of oxygen is which one? Oxidation reaction. Now, second one, removal of hydrogen. Now, in this, we have hydrogen and sulfur. Then, when you added oxygen, then what happens? Sulfur only formed this H2 and O2 combined to form H2O liquid. So, from this compound, hydrogen is removed. And what is formed here? Sulfur. So, removal of hydrogen is which one? Oxidation. Next, I am taking one organic compound here. This is called methanol. What is the name of this compound? Sorry, two carbon mean ethanol. So ethanol converted into which one? Ethanol. This is called aldehyde. PCC is a one oxidizing agent. Pyridinium chlorochromate. On oxidation, here observe how many hydrogens are there? 2 plus 1, 3. But here 1 is there, 2 hydrogens are removed. Removal of hydrogen is called, what is that? Oxidation. Next, third one, addition of more electronegative atom or atoms. Now keep in mind, here some examples are mentioned with the same element. These are more electronegative atoms. So what are the more electronegative atoms? I will write here. Electronegative atoms are fluorine, chlorine, sulfur, oxygen. But oxygen already we studied addition of oxygen separate. So now magnesium react with the fluorine, it form magnesium fluoride. Magnesium react with the chlorine, it form magnesium chloride. Magnesium react with the sulfur, it form magnesium sulfide. So these are all more electronegative element added. Therefore, these are which one? All these reactions, oxidation reactions. Next, fourth one. The fourth one is what is the removal of electropositive element. Generally, first group element are metals are electropositive, which are tendency to lose electron. They are called electropositive element. So keep in mind electropositive elements meaning what is that? Tendency to lose or loss electron. So now in this we have this is electropositive element. Here, how many are there? Four potassiums are present. But here, how many are there? Only three are there. It means one potassium is removed. Therefore, removal of more electropositive element also known as the oxidation. So this reaction, these reactions are here simply given meaning and not that much easy. You have to practice this example because you have to write this example in exams. Therefore, try to practice. Next one, fifth one, increase in carbon oxygen bond or decrease in carbon hydrogen bond also known as a oxidation. This is generally useful for organic chemistry. Now here how many carbon hydrogen bonds are present? Here we have one, two, three, four. So here four bonds are present. Here one, two, three. So here how many are there? Three are present. Then here one, two. Here two are present. Then here one. So one. Here how many are there? Zero. Therefore, number of carbon hydrogen bonds are decreased and carbon oxygen bond increase. So here carbon oxygen bonds are increases from left to right. So here 0 oxygen bond carbon oxygen, here 1 oxygen bond, here 2 oxygen bond, here 1 2 3 oxygen bond, here 4 oxygen bonds are present. So number of oxygen bonds are increased mean nothing but addition of oxygen, therefore oxidation increases. It means that is called oxidation. Next, focus on the second term that is called reduction. Reduction meaning what is that? It's opposite. There addition of oxygen. Now here removal of oxygen. Now here this is called mercuric oxide. Oxygen is present. Oxygen not there here. That is called removal of oxygen. Second one, addition of hydrogen. The removal of hydrogen is oxidation. Now addition of hydrogen is reduction. Here 2 hydrogen, 4 is there. After addition of here 1 and 1, then it become CH3, that is called C2H6. This can be written as a C2H6. Its name ethane. So this reaction also known as a reduction. Addition of hydrogen is a reduction. Next, removal of electronegative atom. What are the electronegative atom? In the previous oxidation we studied here, their electronegative atoms are fluorine, chlorine and sulfur. Already removal of oxygen we studied, but keep in mind this is also electronegative atom. Now, in this reaction, how many chlorines are there? 3 chlorines are there. But here, how many are there? 2 chlorines. This stoichiometric question I am not taking. Only in the formula, how many are there? That I am counting. Here 3 and here 2. So, 1 chlorine is removed, meaning this is called removal of electronegative atom, that is reduction. Then fourth one, addition of electropositive element. Electropositive element meaning what is that? Tendency to lose electron. Tendency to lose or loss electron. So that is called electropositive element. Now in this reaction we have addition of electropositive mean here one mercury is there, here two mercuries are present, therefore this reaction is called what is that? Reduction. This one here two chlorines are there, here four chlorines are there. It means where there is a oxidation there will be reduction or vice versa. So here this is undergo reduction meaning this will undergo oxidation, keep in mind. Next, according to the previous knowledge, then we have to solve the one question here. This is from the textbook only. Identify the species undergoing oxidation and reduction. According to this reaction, in this reaction, H2S is oxidized and Cl2 is reduced because removal of hydrogen is oxidation, and now hydrogen is added to chlorine, then it becomes the HCl, therefore it is reduced. Now in the second equation, aluminum undergo oxidation because in this one observe addition of oxygen, therefore we can write Al will undergo oxygen. Under this line is oxidation, under this line is a reduction. Then in this one we have Fe3O4, it means oxygen is present here, but in this one oxygen is removed, therefore we can say Fe3O4 undergo reduction. In third equation, we have sodium and hydrogen. Addition of electropositive element means sodium. Addition of hydrogen mean that is also both are reduction only. Then we cannot decide which one is a reduction, which one is a oxidation, but generally according to this equation sodium undergo oxidation, hydrogen undergo reduction. Then how do we define this? Is in this case we are facing the problem. What is the problem now? We cannot say oxidation, meaning no rules are applicable here because addition of oxygen is oxidation, removal of hydrogen is a reduction, addition of electronegative element is the oxidation, removal of electropositive element is the oxidation. Here like this equation not satisfying, so this is having some limitation. This limitation we can define based on the another one term, that is based on the in terms of electron transfer, but actually now we don't know which is oxidized, which is reduced, but this can be explained based on the another one factor I will explain next. You don't know, but I know this is, that's why this is a oxidation, this is a reduction. Now, fifth one, what is that? Same in the oxidation. Here, increase in the carbon hydrogen bond, decrease in the carbon oxygen bond. But there, oxidation, what is that? Carbon oxygen bond increase, carbon hydrogen bond decrease. Here, reverse. So, according to this, now I am taking the carbon hydrogen, carbon oxygen bond. In this, we have how many are there? Four carbon hydrogen bonds are present. This is called 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, like this. So, according to this, we have 4 and here 3 bonds, here 2 bonds, here 1 bond, here 0 bond. Therefore, from this direction, what happened here? Number of carbon hydrogen bond increase. But carbon oxygen bonds are here 0, here 1, here 2, here 3, here 4. So carbon oxygen bond, what happened in this direction? Decrease. Here carbon hydrogen bond, what happened? Increases. So that is also what you call reduction. It is applicable in the organic chemistry. Next, so in the previous case, which undergo oxidation, which undergo reduction, we don't know in the Na and hydrogen reaction that forms sodium hydride. Therefore, redox reaction in terms of electron transfer. Now in this reaction, observe sodium chlorine. Then it forms sodium chloride. Which undergo oxidation, which undergo reduction, I will explain in the clearly next. So in this one species undergo oxidation, another species undergo reduction. This one undergo oxidation, this one undergo reduction. Therefore, like this product form. But clear explanation, observe. I am taking the first example. Then, first one, what is that? Sodium undergo loss of electron. Loss of electron is oxidation. Loss of electron is oxidation. When electron loss, here oxidation state, what is that? 0, and here what is that? +1. Increase in oxidation number or increase in oxidation number. that is also oxidation. So this reaction is what you call now oxidation. Next one, what is this? Reduction. In this reduction, gain of electron. So now we can say gain of electron is reduction. Otherwise, another definition, what is there? Now here oxidation number is elemental form 0 and here minus 1 is there. Then what happened here now? 0 to minus 1 means decrease. So decrease in oxidation number, that is, or you can write oxidation number, that is called reduction. This is called half reaction. This is also half reaction. Now half reaction on adding you will get the complete reaction. In this complete reaction, these two electrons are cancelled out. Then when electrons are exactly cancelled, then only half reactions are added, that you have to remember, otherwise not added. So now two sodiums are present, therefore here two sodium, chlorine, chlorine Cl2, electron, electron cancel, then 2 Na plus and 2 Cl minus, 2 Na plus 2 Cl minus, otherwise we can write NaCl. This is also 2 mole, therefore we can write this as 2 moles of NaCl. So loss of electron or increase in oxidation number, also known as the oxidation. Gain of electron or decrease in oxidation number, also reduction, that is called um, in terms of electron. So now the previous equation whatever we studied, that is sodium plus hydrogen, this can be explained like this: 2 NaH, because 2 sodium, 2 sodium and 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. Elemental form oxidation number is 0 0. Here plus 1, here minus 1. 0 to plus 1 oxidation number increase, therefore oxidation. 0 to minus 1 oxidation number decrease, therefore it is called reduction. So in previous one we don't know addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen like this. Now here not required, therefore always you can answer based on the electron transfer, it is easiest way. But if you don't know what is the oxidation number, that comes in the next. So according to the previous knowledge, now justify that the reaction, here given reaction is a redox change. So the previous one, now here same already I explained, no problem. So once again here, this is a zero oxidation, here plus 1, here minus 1. 0 to plus 1 is oxidation, and next one is 0 to minus 1, that is called reduction. So this is based on the electron transfer concept. Next, conclusion. In this conclusion, what is there? Oxidation meaning loss of electron by any species. Reduction, gain of electron by any species. Now, this oxidation, reduction. Oxidizing agent, acceptor of electron. Acceptor of electron mean what is that? Addition of electron meaning a reduction. Therefore, oxidizing agent undergo reduction. So keep in mind, oxidizing agent mean what? Which undergo reduction, that is called oxidizing agent. Generally, oxidizing agent generally represent OA. Reducing agent represent RA. Reducing agent. Reducing agent is a donor of electron. Otherwise, another definition, what is that? Reducing agent undergo oxidation. So donor of electron means what is that? Loss of electron. Loss of electron is oxidation. Therefore, reducing agent undergo oxidation. So I hope you understood what is the oxidation reduction with a beautiful example, and also what is the oxidizing agent and reducing agent. This is very important in the organic chemistry, also in the inorganic chemistry also. Without knowing this, Understanding chemistry is somewhat difficult, so try to understand the what is oxidation and reduction, because many of the reactions are redox reaction. Therefore, which lost the electron, which gain electron, we have to know that, because always we cannot identify which is a more electronegative element, and a oxygen added or removed, or maybe hydrogen added or removed, it is somewhat difficult. Therefore, transfer of electron respect to easiest to answer. This is a explanation for oxidation reduction.